Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in a sterling metallic. This one is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get these gorgeous jet black interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with your Denali stitching along the middle. And if you follow our black stitching all the way down to the bottom left, you'll find your power seat controls. Of course, up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. And inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside your wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You get a push-to-start ignition as well as your heated and ventilated seat controls. You also get your additional storage with USB-C and USB charge ports. 2 cup holders, our shifter, trailer brake controls, additional storage along the side, and inside of your middle console, you get a USB-C and USB charge port, an AC outlet, and a wireless charging pad. Making our way through the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that, we have our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks and our seat memory settings, and down low, you'll find our park brake, drive modes, and automatic high beam controls. Taking a look up in the windshield, you'll find you get a heads-up display. And moving back down to the steering wheel here on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here along the middle. On the left-hand side, you'll find our forward collision alert, as well as our cruise control settings and our heated steering wheel controls. And if we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera. You also get a rear view mirror, digital display that you can turn on and off with a flick of a switch to your liking, and last but not least, a universal home garage opener, power controls for your rear sliding window, and power controls for your sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, you still get these jet black interior leather heated seats on both sides with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. Of course, in the middle, you get your heated seat controls to go alongside your USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat, there's cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, inside the seats itself, it does come equipped with additional space as well as underneath. You also get a cup holder here in the middle and your power sliding rear window. Checking out the exterior here on the Denali, of course we have our classic chrome Denali grille with our GMC badge in the middle, front facing camera, chrome tow hooks along the bottom, these gorgeous LED headlights and fog lamps along the side. Down low you'll find our Bridgestone tires, chrome accented power side mirrors, chrome accent handles, as well as our windows. Our handles do come equipped with keyless entry. We have chrome accents along our running boards here, and they also do automatically deploy when doors are open. You also get tint in the rear window, corner assist steps on each side, and last but not least, you'll find our dual chrome exhaust and our MultiPro Tailgate. To control the MultiPro, first button gets you halfway down, no issues. Second button will get you all the way down. That can lead you to our spray-on bedliner, and of course our 120 volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in a sterling metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.